Advanced Search. By now, you know how to search smarter as we have covered some cool Google search operators. But there's another way. Google Advanced Search. It bundles those operators for even smarter searches. By the end of this video, you will be able to use the Google Advanced Search page for more precise searches. Google Advanced Search page is a powerful tool that helps refine and enhance your online search experience. You no longer need to rely solely on basic search terms and craft complex queries in a search bar. Instead, you can use the intuitive interface of Google Advanced Search to guide you to precise results effortlessly. The Find Pages with section is the heart of the Advanced Search interface. You can use the All These Words box to enter words you want to appear anywhere in the pages in the web results. The words do not have to be in a specific order, but specifying the words in this box ensures they are all present in your search results. If you have a particular phrase or sequence of words in mind, enter them in this exact word or phrase box. This is equivalent to using quotation marks around the keywords in the search bar. The Any of These Words box offers the same functionality as the OR operator. The search results will include any of the words specified in this box. If there are terms you want to exclude from your results, you can add them in the None of These Words box. It's handy to filter out unrelated content. The numbers ranging from boxes allow you to search within a specific number range. It's ideal for pinpointing results that mention values between two set numbers, such as prices or dates. The To Do This in the Search Box section describes how the options on the Google Advanced Search page translate to the regular search box. It provides a direct comparison, showing you the search box equivalents for each advanced search option. The Then Narrow Your Results by section in Google Advanced Search is about fine-tuning. Once you have set your primary search criteria, this section allows you to refine your results even further. If you are looking for pages written in a particular language, select the language in the language list. The region list lets you focus on pages published in a specific country. Use the last update list to find pages updated within the time you specify. So if you want the most recent information or, conversely, older content, you can filter results based on when the page was last updated. Use the Site or Domain box if you want results from a specific website or domain type. In the Terms Appearing list, you can decide where your search keywords appear, whether it's anywhere on the page, in the title, or in the web address. If you are looking for a specific type of file, like a PDF or a PowerPoint, select the file format in the File Type list. This narrows down your search to that file format. The Usage Rights list allows you to filter search results based on licensing terms. This is especially handy if you are looking for content to reuse, modify, or share without infringing on copyright restrictions. Now, I encourage you to try both Google Advanced Search and the operators we discussed to compare and determine which approach you prefer. You might wonder if you need to use both or if you should choose one. Ultimately, it depends on your personal preference. We aim to present you with different methods and approaches so that you can explore various options. Through this course, we hope to empower you to improve your search skills and expand your knowledge. Thank you all, and best of luck with your searches.